I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust spacing in Canva Docs using a simple step-by-step method that helps you format your text cleanly, make it more readable, and give your document a polished professional look, even if you've never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, let's open your document. Head over to your Canva account and click on the shortcut to create a new document or open an existing one. Once your document loads, type in your text or paste the content you want to format so you can see the changes in real time. Next, select all your text by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This makes sure the spacing changes apply to everything at once. After that, move your cursor to the floating toolbar above your document and click on the Advanced Settings icon. Once it opens, you'll see two sliders, one for letter spacing and one for line spacing. If you want to adjust line spacing, simply type in a value like 2 for double spacing, then press Enter. Canva will instantly update your text. You can also fine-tune the letter spacing to make your text look cleaner or more compact depending on your style. From here, you can keep adjusting until your document looks exactly the way you want, perfect for essays, guides, PDFs, or any professional content. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You now know how to quickly and easily adjust spacing in Canva Docs to make your text cleaner and more readable. If you want more Canva tips, productivity hacks, and design shortcuts, hit like and drop a comment, and I will share more easy tricks to level up your designs. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.